How to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. From the chat section, simply you have to select the user or the chat where you want to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. If you don't get that particular chat from the chat section, you can use the search icon at top right corner of the screen and search the user or the chat. Once you launch it, for demonstration purpose, let's type in a message and send it to this user. If you want to delete it for everyone, tap and hold the particular message or chat and then tap the trash icon at top right corner of the screen. A menu pop up where you have to choose delete for everyone and the message will be deleted from both sides. That is how we delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.